What's going on, guys? Zach with J&Z Dumpster Solutions. Man, it's been a minute. I haven't been on here in quite a while. I posted that little junk removal job that happened months and months ago, but I forgot to film, and I'll just keep trying to find it, but I couldn't, so I just uploaded it. Anyways, I opened up another YouTube channel. It's my little fishing channel. If you guys didn't know, I am a captain. I don't charter that at all right now. I did some stuff, you know, a couple years ago, but anyways, besides the point, just that's what I've been focusing on, is my little fishing YouTube channel. But I got back on this one. We're gonna do some dumpsters today. So I think I got 5 pickups and 1 drop-off. The drop-off isn't technically due till tomorrow, but we're gonna try to do it today because I want to go fishing tomorrow. But all right, guys, stay tuned. Let's get to it. All right, we're pulling into our first one. It's kind of late. It's 9 o'clock. This morning I did not want to get up. I was like, man, do I really have to go pick up dumpsters? If I didn't have like 4 or 5 dumpsters to go do today, and I only had maybe 2 or 3, I would have definitely called the customers and said, do you want to see if they want to keep them, or can we pick them up tomorrow? That's how lazy I was being today, which is fine. You're allowed to have some lazy days, for sure. All right, hopefully this one is not packed to the brim. About to find out, and it isn't. That's good. Well, I can see one thing hit now. So, man, I hate this. Well, I got a car on the left-hand side, and then we got a car on the right-hand side. Not friendly for sure. Cut it just a little too short. There we go. Let me wait for this lady. Oh, no way. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. My whole line raveled out. Well, this blows. You gotta be kidding me. What is up with that? I have to bring this back to the yard. Man, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, well, we'll be back. Just kidding, we ain't picking it up. Well, that is a first, for sure. The whole spool unraveled. Man, that's kind of irritating because I already started late and now we have that problem. It was getting to it, I guess. I don't know, that line's been pretty well. That cable's been pretty good to me for the last 2.5 years. And it's older than that. It's the original one. So that trailer's a 2019, so man. Anyways, this really blows. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we're back. I didn't record it. I don't know, I just totally forgot, to be honest with you. But what we did was we went to Ace Hardware, got a new bolt, and then we unraveled the wire, put the new bolt on the wire that connects to the winch, raveled it all up, and it's good to go. I did buy a synthetic rope. I'll only backtrack a little bit too. I did go to Harbor Freight to see if there's synthetic rope, but it was 130 bucks. So I was like, it's not worth buying that for 130 bucks when I can get the 22K synthetic rope at on Amazon for 145. So I was like, it's not worth it. Just let's fix this one, then we'll do the other one. Anyway, so we're here at this property. This guy rents from me actually quite a few times. I don't know if he's redoing his house or what, but he's not even here. He lives upstate. And I called him when I dropped it off. I was like, hey, usually you want me to put it in a driveway, but you have a car, your car is in the middle of the driveway, because usually he has it on one side or the other, so I can put this dumpster on one side. He's like, oh man, I totally forgot. He's like, could you still put it in the driveway? And so I was like, I can see. So this is what I came up with putting it in a driveway still, without burning his grass. All right, I'm just thinking about the metal. If I take it to Pasco, I'm gonna have to go to the metal place, which is a little bit out of my it's an inconvenience, that's what it is. So I should have picked this one up last, to be honest with you. If I picked it up last, I could have brought it to my house, because I do have a few things that need to go in there. But oh well. Should have picked this one up last. Although this gentleman rents from me, he's got about 4 dumpsters from me. They're always last minute, and they always have to be on a Saturday drop off. I don't understand it. And they're always last minute. You can't like call me like a week ahead of time, be like, hey, I got this going on, can you facilitate it? And then I wouldn't have too much of an issue. But when you call me on Friday night, literally 8 p.m, saying, can you come pick this, or can I get a dumpster tomorrow morning, is a little irritating. I gotta drop this bike off anyway, so I'm not too mad that we gotta go out of our way. Oh, no way. Man, you're kidding me. Here we go. Start wearing some gloves more often. All right, well, that's a 15-yard pickup. Canted because the customer said, please put it on the driveway. All right, well, we will. So I'm debating of going to National Waste or Pasco. I think I'm gonna go to Pasco just because I just came from National Waste and there was about 5 people in line, which is about 30-40 minute wait, and I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. So I'm gonna go to Pasco.